Alright, now we have this, and this we have done it so many times. So I think this is no need of explanation. But just to remind you, we are using this variable to store our set group by year, and we want the aggregate. This aggregate, remember, is a method responsible for multiplication, addition, division, and other, among many other mathematical operators. But now we want now part to be mean, right? So pd dot series dot mean, and then talk about series versus data set. The series is just one one column, like one column, something like that, right? So let me shift and enter. When I shift and enter, I can bring the set dot head, set dot tail, whichever. Let me say set dot head. I call this method like that. Oh, then I shift enter. You can see this just one series. This is a series that I'm talking about. It's just like one column displaying particular mean, right? Now we have that. How do we scatter the information? You have seen it in so many areas in advanced data science, but now today let's scatter it. Yeah, I'm going to use a very